A man from Holly Hill facing a felony after police say he threatened to kill city council members if they raise property taxes. Fox 35's Marie Edinger spoke with the First Amendment attorney about this. He says comments like this have gotten extra scrutiny following the death of Charlie Kirk.
The Holly Hill Police Department came knocking after they say Rod Westfall responded to a Facebook post about a Holly Hill Commission meeting to raise property taxes, saying, "If they ever jack up my property taxes like that, I will personally march down there and gun them all down where they stand." And I have a whole neighborhood of people feeling the same way. The world isn't going to be something where you just rob everyday hardworking people. Westfall's arrest report says when police came to arrest him, he told them he believed he was exercising his First Amendment rights. So I asked a First Amendment attorney about that.
I think it's somewhat of a close case.
Larry Walter says courts will weigh whether Westfall was making what the courts consider a true threat. His arrest report uses that exact phrase.
There are political undertones or rhetoric, hyperbolic statements contained in the so-called threat. That's going to make it less likely to be perceived as a true threat and instead some kind of political activism.
Holly Hill Police declined to interview, directing us instead to a statement they'd made on social media, which says, "This conduct is dangerous, unacceptable, and cannot be allowed to become normal. Threats of violence online or in person create real risk to individuals and our community."
How often are we seeing people hauled out in handcuffs for making a threat online?
Well, it's historically not very common.
But, he says, we're in kind of a sensitive time following Charlie Kirk's murder.
Have been, somewhat of an uptick of knocks on the doors by, FBI and people getting terminated from their jobs based on their political speech, what they believe to be political speech, or what could be interpreted as threats.
Marie Edinger, Fox 35 News.